The problem from this video can be downloaded at accountingworkbook.com. If you go to the website, click the PDF link and you can download a copy of this and all of my problems for yourself. Now, if you check the website and you click on videos, you'll see there are more videos than those I've listed publicly on YouTube. You can see that there's every problem covered in the workbook has either a public video or a members only video. If you'd like access to the members only video, just click the join button beneath the video player on YouTube. All right, let's jump into the problem. Let's take a look at problem 5.5a. This should be a very fast video on writing off bad debts. So you've got a customer who you've determined is never going to pay. You want to give up on them. You're not sending them out to the collections. You're just writing it off. You're saying, goodbye, I'm never going to see this money. Here's what you do. You credit accounts receivable from the customer who's never going to pay. So let's actually read the question before I credit the account receivable. It says on August 11th, 2024, obviously I'm going to be wanting to date this, August 11th, 2024, Amco Carpet Cleaners wants to write off a $4,000 account receivable from a customer, Good Sleep Hotels. So we're a carpet cleaner. Good Sleep Hotels is not paying their bill. We're going to write it off. We're giving up on them for some reason. So I credit AR, Good Sleep. Obviously, I'll credit that customer's AR. I'm saying I'm not going to see the money. Get rid of the AR. Now remember, when I want to get rid of the AR, I don't debit bad debt expense. I have to get rid of the AR by dipping into the allowance. So you debit the allowance for doubtful accounts. A little bonus work, because that's the question. We've answered it. Congratulations to us. But here's a little bonus. What happens if, that was August 11th, let's say on September 22nd, very important date, that's my wife's birthday, 2024. So a month later, Good Sleep pays the $4,000 that they owed us, right? This can happen, right? We wrote off their AR. We said, goodbye, Good Sleep. You're not a customer anymore. And then Good Sleep came crawling back. Oh, what a delicious moment that is for us when we've given up on the money and it's like, oh, found money. First thing is they come in. We're not going to say, oh, sorry, we wrote off your AR. We won't take your money. No, we'll take your money, please. Here's what we do. All we do is on September 22nd, we just reinstitute their AR. We just pretend this journal entry never happened and we reverse it. We go, okay, well, right now you don't have any AR to pay off. Let's give you that AR back. AR, Good Sleep, debit that to sort of put it back on the books. Then we credit our allowance to say, okay, that allowance that I said I used up, debiting an allowance means you're using up your allowance for doubtful accounts. Now we're going to credit to say, oh, you know what? I can put that back in the cookie jar. I still have that. And then at the same time, I'm just going to pretend like it's a normal AR collection. Debit cash, $4,000, credit AR, Good Sleep, $4,000. So a nice situation to happen, a little bit of bonus coverage for you, a very nice thing when it happens. And you know what else is a very nice thing when it happens? You guys hitting that button for me. If you could, hit the likes button on this video. All right, hopefully this was helpful to you. Hopefully you're getting better in your journey to understand accounting. Have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.